Hello everybody, my name is Rahul and in this video I'll be talking about a challenge called Stegosaurus and Stenops, I think. So this Stenops swallowed the flag and some unusually large rock. So first of all, I did not pay any heed to this description. I knew that it had to be a steganography challenge, and if I were to just type in if you are on a Linux machine, you can type in EOG instead of open and stegosaurus.jpg, and as you can see, this is the image that we get. So my first hunch was to try a couple of tools like steghide, and this also called stegsolve. So I tried in stegsolve. For example, it is in my opt directory, and this is how it looks like. So you can just look for it in GitHub, but you'll not get anything out of this. I tried lots and lots of things, but lots and lots of filters, but couldn't get anything. So my next hunch was to try for steghide, but since I am on a Mac OS, uh, I haven't installed steghide because I did not know how to install it, because I couldn't find it in the brew um, or any package. So I went to my Linux machine and typed in steghide, and so I have copied its all the functionalities that I did. So I typed in EOG steghide. To get the image, and this is the file that this is the command that you run in order to get the I know use steghide on that image. So it asked me for a password since I did not know the password. So usually it did not as usual it did not provide me the flag. So I typed in steghide and crack. So as you can see, this is where the description comes handy. So it swallowed the flag and some unusually large rock. So it is telling you that you can use rock.txt. It is providing you a hint basically that you can brute force the flag using rock.txt file. So there's this file and there's amazing tool called Stegcracker. All you have to do is type in pip3 install Stegcracker, and all you have to do is Stegcracker, name of the file which was stegosaurus.jpg, followed by the word list. So it was rocky.txt, and I think the password came out to be snowflakes. Either it was snowflake or snowflakes. So I typed in that, and it created a file called flag.txt, and this was the flag. So if I were to just copy it and paste it over here, you can see that this is the actual flag. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.